In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your list view data from ClickUp. We'll walk through this process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to download your tasks into a file you can open in a spreadsheet tool like Excel or Google Sheets. First, open ClickUp and navigate to the space, folder, or project that contains the tasks you want to export. Make sure you're in the list view for that area. The list view is the one that shows your tasks in rows, almost like a spreadsheet, with columns for things like status, assignee, and due date. If you're not already there, look for the list option along the top of your screen and switch to it so you see your tasks in that format. Once you're looking at your list view, actually click on the word list at the top. This is usually found near the view options, where you might also see things like board or calendar. Clicking on list opens up the settings and options that apply specifically to this view. This is where the export controls live. Next, look for the option that says Export View. Depending on your ClickUp layout, this might appear in a small drop-down menu or under a three-dot menu near the view name. Go ahead and click Export View. What this does is tell ClickUp that you want to take all the information currently shown in this list and prepare it as a file you can download. After clicking Export, you'll be asked to choose the format you want. Typically, you'll see at least two options: CSV or Excel. If you're not sure which one to choose, here's a quick guideline. A CSV file is a very universal format that works with almost any spreadsheet or data tool. It's a great default choice, especially if you plan to import this data into another system. An Excel file is ideal if you mainly use Microsoft Excel and want to keep things in that environment with slightly better formatting out of the box. Pick the format that best matches how you plan to use the data. Once you've made your choice, click on Download. ClickUp will generate the file for you, and your browser should start downloading it automatically. Depending on how many tasks you have, this might take a moment, but it's usually pretty quick. When the download is complete, you can open the file with your preferred spreadsheet program to sort, filter, analyze, or share your task data outside of ClickUp. And that's it. You've successfully exported your list